95% of traders lose money, but what if I told you there's a way to profit like the top 5% without staring at charts all day, like most people do? So now, whether you're skilled or not skilled, you can leverage on skilled traders to make a living. So technology has enhanced technology has done a lot in making sure unskilled traders can leverage, okay, on pro traders. So you don't need all the skills to be able to trade and make profits in the market. So I'm sharing my screen just to show us. This is just a pure example. This is not a content for people to. This is real. These are my results, and I'm sharing my results, not just the content. So let's go to my trades. Okay, now, so what do? We copy from pro traders, and to do that you need a copy trade app that links you to professional traders. So we do the research. I and my team, we do the research, and we get good traders where you can copy from and make excellent money. So this is our profitable charts. So you can see this is XAU USD. For those who don't know, this is gold. Okay, so these are gold trades, and you can see the dates. 30th. This recording was made on the 30th of September. Okay, so we're going to be showing you everything, and you can see these are closed trades. So closed trades, then open trades are trades that are still running in the market. So let's look at the open trade. So the closed trades actually show you can see we have losing positions and winning positions. But what are we targeting? What are we targeting? We are targeting profitability. At least we get 80 to 85% win rates. So with that, we are covered. So our greens are more than the reds, and you can see these are today's trade, 30th. You can see the dates. As I scroll, let me just scroll faster. You can see the date hasn't changed. You can see this is 30th. All right. So I scroll more, we check the dates. The more I scroll, you can see we have a lot of greens. We have losses, but trust me, we're still going to see the results. We're going to look at the end results, then we can judge from that. Now, still 30. Look at the winning trades, look at the losing trades, look at winning trades, and we have lots of winning trades all through. Okay, so we check trades that are still running are open. This is so exciting that you don't need to be savvy in trading, you don't need to be an expert. So we have so many pro traders now, depending on your capital, and this is so easy. With as low as $50, $100, you can hop in, no fees. You just log in, connect, and you are good to go. Now we have, these are open trades. This is still trying to decide, still in between the profit and loss. You can see, look at the trades, wonderful trades are running. So we can see open trades, and once the profit target is hit, it closes and it moves into the close position. Now let's go to the traders corner, which is the MT5, and let's see what we have made as at 2:45 West African time. This is just noon. So let's switch to MT5. Okay, this is my MT5. These are all closed positions. As you can see, history. This is history here. So this is history here for those who know MT5. So what are my profits? This is my profit here. Let's check. Okay, so now this account is in cents, and this has made so far 19,654 cents. Now if you convert that to the dollar, that's actually approximately $196 made just in the space of, let me increase this lighting. Okay, made just in a space of okay, so that's $196. Now look at the trades that have closed out. These are the trades that have closed out. This is so interesting that anybody can hop on this system and earn daily. So in a month, you're looking at least making between 30 to 45% of your capital, and it's so seamless. This, and it is the risk proportion is quite very interesting, and it's low risk. This is low risk. Okay, so you can see these are closed positions. These are closed. You can see lots of profits. All right, so this is still ongoing. The trade for the day is still ongoing, and we are highly profitable. All right, so we're highly profitable. So look at the trades. All right, okay, these are running trades. We have our charts. You can see the trades are closing fine. Our trades are closing fine. And if you think this is something interesting, you think you want to leverage on pro traders, we're just a call away. Check our comments, check the links, and you can hop in and join the winning team. We're always here for you. Have fun and have a profitable week ahead.